Hi there, in today's video I'm going to attempt to refill a Posca PC-1MR. Someone's asked me how to do that. They don't have a screw top, so it's really tricky. They have a pull-out top, so you can lever it off with a butter knife and it can fly off everywhere. I've tried with pliers, I've squashed bits and pieces. It is really slippery to try and get a grip on it. With these pliers, I have like a little, see the little indent in there? And that's what I'm gonna use to squash around the top part, and I'm just gonna gently pull it out. It does, you can damage your nib a little bit, but if you've got something like that and you squeeze it and you pull it out, you can remove that. Once you've removed it, trying to get the mechanism out, it's kind of tricky to get that out. So you're going to need some needle nose pliers, and you've got to grab the little bit. It's pretty hard to see, but you've got to grab the little bit on the end there as well to try and remove that. So it's a super fiddly job. I don't know whether you guys can see that. If you have a close look, the little nib on the end is where I grabbed it from. I grabbed it, went down the barrel like that. Once that's done and you've got both the bits removed, then obviously you can refill it. I like to use ink, and the ink that I'm using today is the Amsterdam Acrylic Ink because it comes with a little eyedropper, and I find that a lot easier to refill up the ink. Now this one had a fair bit of ink in it already. I just was giving myself a challenge to see how to do it. So I'm just going to fill that up by putting some in there. It's quite a messy business, but this eyedropper makes it so much easier. These 1MRs I find are good on paper, but on a canvas it can wreck the nib pretty quick. Hey, if you're getting some value out of today's video, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up, hit that like button, and also check out some of my other Posca marker videos. What we have to do then is replace the pump mechanism in, and then we have to push this in, which will then push that down in turn. And then it clicks in, you heard the little click there, and that's how you refill a Posca 1MR. Pretty tricky. Good luck at home. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers, thanks, bye, see ya.